Hey guys, welcome to another video. Yes, I know it's my second video in a row. Yeah, I'm doing daily videos now for probably the rest of quarantine. So today in this video we are going to be unboxing and reviewing this pencil by Pentel. It is the GraphGear 500 mechanical drafting pencil. I was at Kroger with my mom today and I decided, well, I was going to pick up this pencil. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, yeah, so this is my first time unboxing a pencil on this YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm sure it will be fun. Yeah. So yeah, let's get right into this unboxing here. Never heard of this pencil before. I just thought it looked cool, so I figured I'd pick it up. Actually, let's look at this. Cap conceals and protects eraser. Yes, it comes with some HB lead and a high polymer eraser by the same company. So let's get this thing out of its package. And I will be customizing it to give it the awesome ZHC grip. I better get a thumbnail eventually though. Alright, so I got this back paper off. Oh, this looks cool. So we got the Spider-Man web cartridge. The the lead holder. Standard. There's 12 pieces. I'll have to get some more. I was looking for HB and 2H lead because that's my preferable lead. Let's get this eraser out of its package. Let's see if there's any little things I can pull. Yeah, there we go. There you go. Look at that. That's satisfying. So here, what I'll do is I'll just put this to the side for now. Oh, it's gonna bother me. Whatever. Put this to the side for now. Now, for the actual pencil. Let's get this thing out of its... Oh, this is a nice... It kind of feels... There's pretty much lead in there. At first, this felt flimsy. But this is pretty dang sturdy. Alright, so first, before we do anything, I'm going to test this out on some paper. Get our first impression. Let's get the lead out. It is not like my pencil before. You have to click it. It's kind of annoying, but I mean, I'll get over it. First impression, it's a little too dark, not gonna lie. This would be good for, like, I don't like to call it inking, but it really is almost inking with a pencil. This would be good for that. So far, I mean, even like for the inking portion. I don't know. So far, not my favorite. I will be grading him at the end. It's kind of weird, but figured. So for filling in solid. Oh, see, I don't like on the solid lead. Oh, I just don't like it. Like, I'm so used to the huge. I don't know what millimeter it is. It's like 2 millimeter. But it's like, here, let's compare these. See, this is at the top. This is like smaller than the fine liner I have. I'm just not used to it. I don't think I'll be using this as a sketching pencil. Maybe. Maybe if I get enough out, maybe it'll be a decent sketching pencil. I don't know. Maybe. Just getting a feel of it. Oh, yeah. I don't know what I'm drawing here. I'm kind of just playing around. Let's draw a replica of that stick man. Gosh, I'm not... So far, I mean, it might just because I'm not used to it. Maybe I'll grow into it. That's how I was for, like, a lot of things. Like, even my Copics, at first, I was like, I'm not a huge fan. But I grew into them. Oh, by the way, here's a solid arm right there. I was impressed with that. Let's do a little smiley face. Oh yeah. We'll do an actual small drawing in a second. I'm just kind of playing around with this right now. Maybe like like I said, like an inking pencil. It sounds weird because it's not ink. but maybe. Let's test this eraser that came with it. Oh, the sun just... No! The cloud just blocked the sun. No! Oh, this eraser is pretty good. Let's see if it erases. That gets rid of almost all of it. Good job, eraser. Like I said, the pencil feels good. We won't be needing this, though. Wait. Is this attached? No. If they... Oh, hold on. Why wasn't I expecting... Oh. Interesting. Before we customize it, though, I have to get a thumbnail. Oh, it's super dark. Sorry about the lighting change, but there we go. Get some new height in here once the sun comes back. Oh, and the sun's coming back. Oh, anyway. Let's uncap the eraser. I thought there was an eraser at the back. Oh, there is. Wow. Impressive. How do I put more lead in? Oh, that makes sense. So we have a little... I'm not going to use this back eraser. Probably at all. Oh, it's actually really good for taking that lead off. Alright, maybe I will. Alright, light the lights back, so we'll turn this guy off. So far, it's decent. The erasers are better than the pencil. Alright, so we're going to customize this in a second, see if it changes my grip. What I'm going to do, I'll do a time lapse of it, but I'm going to get a thumbnail real quick, so yeah. Alright boys, we got the thumbnail, so now I'm going to take this, get a long strip of it, cut it in half, and I'll start a time lapse to start wrapping around. I have to find the point here real quick, so if I hold it like this, where do I hold this pencil usually? Usually hold it like this. So we'll start about right here, right where the end of that logo is. Okay, now that we have the first layer on, you're just gonna pat it down, squeeze it down, make sure it's all nice and tight. First, let's get this stupid thing off. Please tell me that's not permanently attached. I will be big disappointed if it is. Because they are useless. Who's gonna attach? Oh, it's just so uncomfortable. Hold on, this isn't gonna bother me. May as well get it off. Finally, got it off. So we're gonna keep on packing the tape. Okay, the tape isn't exactly going on how I want to. I think it's because I cut it from one big strip. I had this, but it's too big to put on by its own. So, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some electrical tape and go over it a few times, because it's kind of just crunchy right now. Alright guys, I have two colors of electric tape. I have blue and I have black and I have orange. I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to try black. If black doesn't look good, then we'll do orange. And maybe we can do some kind of like patterny thingy. Okay, this looks pretty cool right now. So I'm gonna, tighten it a little bit as much as I can. And then we're gonna go in with the orange. The orange looks weird. I kind of like the black, not gonna lie. Looks cool. Be a nice collection. Let's try the orange real quick. Okay, here's the final product. I made it look kind of like Slade or Deathstroke. So let's see if it's any better with the new grip, which I am loving, by the way. I think it looks awesome. Let's get some more lead out. Graphite, my bad. They no longer use lead in pencils. Whoa, you can't hold this much out? Oh, pathetic. Excuse me. There we go. Definitely feels better with the grip. It's super shaky since it's more compact. 2H would definitely be better though. Alright, I'm gonna start a little time lapse and I'm gonna draw a little something. I'm not sure what it's gonna be yet, but I'm gonna draw a little something. So, yeah, into the time lapse. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. And, oh yeah, I forgot to rate this pencil. I think, like I said, it'd probably be better as like an sharp line pencil. But it looks cool. It sure does look cool. Like, look at that texture. Focus. Like, that's just cool looking. And yeah. I mean, it's got an eraser in the back, so I'm gonna have to give it a 5 out of 10. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed, please considering subscribing. I think I have almost 60 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 100 by the end of summer. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this, please check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.